Now, may we move on to the next section of our lesson, will be hypertext and hyperlink. Hypertext now within HTML be about. I tell you the full meaning of HTML now hypertext markup language. The need say we use this language to mark up our hypertext. But wait till the hypertext. Hypertext are just a way to link between separate parts of our text so that it could be easier to navigate. HTML like the backbone of the web and the internet because it allows us to move from various documents to another very easily thanks to links or hyperlinks. And the best part of hyperlinks, I say, no be to move from one website to another alone. You feel move from one section of your page or your document to another using link. For this part of the lesson, I will show you how you go use hyperlinks. For the main part, that is the words will we want when you link out to another page. Add the anchor tag. The anchor tag is just A, so like as they open normal tag for this yellow, you will open the first opening tag A and then closer with / another A. Then in the middle, now you will add your anchor text. That is the words or the sentence where you want make people kill it for your website to go somewhere else. Now this A alone on itself, no be the link. You just indicate say link go there here. How you will take add the link? Now you go use href attributes. We don't use that before, and we don't talk about attributes before. So we go use this href. Now inside the inverted commas, now here we go write the URL of where we want link to. Now one thing we you guys know about URL, I say we get different types.